Love you all, and I appreciate everybody that decides to give money to here, but this is not how you ship a laptop to get fixed. It's just, no. No, 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 no. You can do better. I know you can do better. I have faith in you. They made this. This is look. This looks like it was cut. This was done in like my 7th grade arts and crafts class. Actually, much better than something I would do. Look, it can even be used as a mouth. Look. My name is Sharky. I don't know what this. What do you think of this thing?
This is garbage.
It's kind of funny. This is a Retina model, which is one of the higher end ones, and all of this was done. All of this was done so it could be shipped media mail at $4.05. $1,200 to $1,700 machine. $5 savings in postage. This is why the economy is failing.